Today, I am reviewing the Jura E6 Platinum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. From the first brew, what stands out most is how effortlessly the Jura E6 integrates every step of the coffee-making process into a single, smooth workflow. Grinding, tamping, brewing, frothing, and cleaning all happen automatically, and the entire process finishes in well under a minute. In real-world use, this speed matters more than you might expect. Mornings feel calmer, not rushed, because the machine does exactly what you ask without hesitation or confusion. You press a button, and the result is a properly extracted coffee rather than something that feels rushed or inconsistent. The quality of the espresso itself is where the E6 truly proves its value. Jura's Pulse Extraction Process is not just a technical term, it has a noticeable impact on flavor. The espresso comes out rich, balanced, and aromatic, with a crema that looks and tastes like it came from a dedicated cafe setup rather than an automatic machine. The 8th generation brew unit and 3D brewing technology help ensure even water distribution through the coffee puck, and that translates into better extraction and a more rounded flavor profile. Whether you prefer a stronger, more intense shot or something smoother and milder, the machine responds well to adjustments without losing character. The Professional Aroma Grinder is another element that becomes more impressive over time. Grinding fresh beans right before brewing makes a clear difference, but what sets this grinder apart is its consistency and efficiency. Jura claims increased aroma extraction, and in daily use, that claim feels justified. Coffee tastes vibrant rather than flat, especially with lighter or medium roasts where subtle notes matter. The grinder operates smoothly and quietly enough that it never feels disruptive, which adds to the overall premium experience. Customization is handled in a way that feels empowering rather than overwhelming. You can adjust coffee strength, volume, temperature, milk foam amount, and hot water output, allowing the machine to adapt to your preferences instead of forcing you into preset limits. Once dialed in, the E6 remembers your choices, making it easy to enjoy your preferred drink without repeated adjustments. This balance between flexibility and simplicity is one of the machine's strongest qualities, especially for users who want control without complexity. The milk frothing performance deserves special mention. Milk-based drinks come out with fine, stable foam that feels well integrated rather than airy or inconsistent. Whether you are preparing a cappuccino or a milk-forward coffee, the texture feels deliberate and polished. The system is also easy to clean, which removes one of the biggest pain points of owning a milk-capable coffee machine. Jura's integrated maintenance programs take care of cleaning and rinsing automatically, reducing the effort required to keep the machine performing at its best. Day-to-day operation is guided by a clear, intuitive color display that never feels intimidating. The interface is straightforward, responsive, and logically organized. Even users who are new to automatic coffee machines will feel comfortable navigating the options after only a short time. The optional pre-ground coffee chute adds another layer of flexibility, allowing you to use pre-ground coffee when needed without compromising the system's core performance. Over longer periods of use, the E6 stands out for its reliability. Drinks taste the same day after day, with no gradual decline in quality or performance. This consistency is where Jura's engineering really shines. The machine feels engineered for longevity, not just initial impressions. Maintenance reminders are timely and helpful, and the self-cleaning routines reduce the risk of neglect affecting coffee quality. Aesthetically, the platinum finish gives the machine a refined, understated presence. It looks premium without being flashy, fitting naturally into both modern and classic kitchen spaces. The build quality feels solid and reassuring, reinforcing the sense that this is a long-term investment rather than a short-lived appliance. What ultimately defines the Jura E6 Platinum is how seamlessly it fits into daily life. It removes friction from the coffee-making process without removing the soul of the coffee itself. You still taste the beans, the roast, and the extraction, but you don't have to fight the machine to get there. For anyone who values excellent coffee, consistency, and ease of use in equal measure, the Jura E6 proves itself not through bold claims, but through the quiet confidence of doing everything right, every single day.